Welcome, here I've got Doogee S88 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change picture size in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. And here we have the picture size from the left. When we tap on it, we can manage the aspect ratio connected with the quality in megapixels. We are in 4:3 ratio with 21 megapixels. 4:3 is also available with 16 megapixels, so the lower quality, or the 8. And we have the second ratio here available, 16:9 with 8 megapixels. So for now we can see the difference in the camera preview, that the background has changed to the longer one. And of course when we tap here once again, we can go back to picture size and pick whatever we need here. For example, go back to the best possible quality with 4:3 ratio. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.